StudioPress Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the StudioPress Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about StudioPress, who it's best for, and whether its affiliate program is worth your time. Links to the product and affiliate sign-up are in the description below. StudioPress is well known for its premium WordPress themes, particularly the Genesis framework, which is one of the most popular and SEO-friendly WordPress frameworks available. Designed for bloggers, marketers, developers, and business owners, StudioPress themes offer clean code, fast performance, mobile responsiveness, and strong security. The Genesis framework provides a solid foundation for building professional and high-ranking websites, making it a top choice for those who prioritize SEO and speed. These themes are also customizable and work seamlessly with Gutenberg and various page builders, allowing users to tailor their sites without compromising performance. Now, let's talk about the StudioPress affiliate program. Affiliates earn 35% commission on every sale, which is higher than many competitors in the WordPress theme space. Since StudioPress is a well-established brand with high-converting products, affiliates can expect consistent earnings from a targeted audience. The typical customers are bloggers, agencies, developers, and businesses that need high-quality WordPress themes, meaning there's strong demand. One of the major benefits of promoting StudioPress is its high average order value. Many users purchase the Genesis Pro package, which provides access to all StudioPress themes and tools, increasing potential commissions. Additionally, WP Engine owns StudioPress, meaning it's backed by a reliable company with a strong reputation in the hosting and website development industry. StudioPress provides affiliates with custom tracking links, banners, and promotional materials, making it easy to create effective marketing campaigns. If you have an audience in blogging, web design, or digital marketing, this affiliate program is a great way to monetize your content. With high commission rates, trusted products, and a proven market, StudioPress is a solid affiliate option. If you're ready to sign up, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.